Okay, Vision Kids, it's Miss Penny. Put on your thinking caps. It's time to learn a new word.
Observation. Observation is an action word. It is when you are actively watching and listening carefully to find out about something or someone. You make observations to learn.
What was that word?
Observation.
Good job.
Nature walk. A nature walk is about observing the environment with your senses. All you need is somewhere to walk. Then explore the environment using your senses and your motor skills.
What was that word?
Nature walk.
Good job.
The 5 senses. Most people have 5 senses: seeing, hearing, touching, smelling, and tasting. These senses help us learn about the world around us.
What was that word?
5 senses.
Good job.
Lake. A lake is a large body of water that is surrounded by land. It is larger than a pond, but smaller than an ocean. Most lakes are freshwater.
What was that word?
Lake.
Good job. See you next time.